Our First Amendment clinic deals with First Amendment issues. Basically, what is the First Amendment? It's not just free speech, it's government prohibited speech. And so our First Amendment clinic is working on city ordinances that various cities across the state have enacted that sort of dampen that ability of individuals to say what they want to say.
You dive right in, and I think it's a great experience for students, and I think it has a real impact on the community because we have represented some people who felt wronged by the way the government came after them and just felt they had no recourse until they found out about us.
Our Indian Law Clinic represents tribal members in all kinds of various situations in a couple of the tribal courts across the state.
Each election cycle, our students lead the Native Vote Election Protection Project. And in 2024, we had 2 co-leads for our Native Vote project, and the other students in the clinic also participated, but they trained over 100 volunteers who served Indian country on election day. Our student attorneys and our volunteers noticed that people were being denied the right to vote in Apache County. Through our real-time advocates on the ground, they were able to draft affidavits that were used in a complaint that we filed on election day to extend the polling location hours. And we were able to get the word out with our tribal partners and the Navajo Nation so that people could exercise their right to vote on election day.
Additionally, our small business clinic will help people basically get their business papers incorporated, become LLCs, whatever it is the perfect corporation entity is for the situation.
So we had a client that was out raising money and looking to get some investment because they need to move to the next phase of their business. But they were an Arizona LLC, and the funder that they found would only invest in Delaware corporations. We were able to go and do an actual conversion, look up the statutes and do the conversion from an Arizona LLC to a Delaware corporation. The students did that, put that all together for them. There's many different documents that go into that. And then after we were done with that client's engagement, we got an email from them saying they were able to move forward in negotiating with that funder. And so I don't know the full outcome. Hopefully they have the money by now, but they wouldn't have been able to even start talking to them had they not been able to do this.
Our civil litigation clinic is the clinic that first started everything here in like 1969 or 1968. And they take consumer cases. Basically, we help the little guy in all of these kinds of situations. So that's what we're trying to do. That's how we're trying to help the community.